Oh, snap, I am in love with that hat. I think I might be able to sneak it off her head when she's sleeping. Someone on this bus stinks, and I intend to find out who it is.
Mommy, look! Why is he sniffing that man?
You look like a couple of Trump freaks. Whoa, back off.
Time on the bus goes so... Oh, here comes security.
All right, we've had just about enough of your nonsense back here. Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape.
I have got to pee like a racehorse.
I spy with my little eye something green. I spy with my little eye something scary. I spy with my... hold on, I'm actually spying. What are you reading, lady? How disgusting.
Oh my God, I am so hungry. Snacks. Snacks. They're bringing snacks.
Hey, back here, back here. Hey, come on, pass it back. Me in the corner. Hey, I'm freaking starving. Speed it up, speed it up. Go, 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 go. I'm hungry. I'm waiting. Yeah, give me that. Give me 2 of them. 3 if you got them. A delicious snacks. Yeah. Snack box farting. Gross. Well, they let us off the bus to take a break. Been on there for hours, and we are in a little town called Bingen, Washington. What's that? There's a fire! There's a fire there! Forest fire! We're all gonna die! Time to get back on the bus. Time to get back on the bus. I guess it was just a small fire, so we're all good. Back to my bus blog, heading from Bingen, Washington, back to Vancouver. Charge my phone. Oh, good Lord. You'll never be a rap star. Okay, and I'm finally back home in Vancouver. There's the bus. Buzz off! I'm never going on a bus again, believe me. That was the worst travel experience of my life. Their motto was, maybe